Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a custom pattern brush in Photoshop step by step. First of all, create a new file. Example, use this num width 500, height 500 pixels, resolution 300. Click OK. Create a new layer and draw any pattern or make any pattern. Use rectangle, rounded, circle, star, etc. Example is heart pattern. Hold shift, draw any heart. Choose color. Example is black color. Press enter. Then press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl T. Hold shift. Then press Ctrl J 1. Press Ctrl J 2, 3, 4. Then select all shape. Press Ctrl Z for group. Then again press Ctrl Z or OK. Then again hold Alt key. OK. Then click hold shift, select all group layer. Press Ctrl Z again. Hold Ctrl, click background layer. Move tool, align middle. Click background layer. Press delete on your keyboard. Edit tab. Define brush preset. Name heart. Click OK. Then create a new layer. Brush tool, right click. Choose any color. Drop down menu. See this. Your pattern. Press enter. Resize. Spacing. Hold shift. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.